Good evening, all student, UPSC aspirant, NCERT History Book 6 to 12th, Basic Understanding, my YouTube channel. So once again, thanks for joining me. I remind you in the last class, before starting today's class, in the last class, chapter 3, so remaining topic today's class. So let's go ahead. Topic name, chapter 3, remaining topic, towards settled life. Archaeologists have found traces of huts or houses at some sites. For instance, in Burjhum in present-day Kashmir, people built pit houses which were dug into the ground with steps leading into them. These may have provided shelter in cold weather. Archaeologists have also found cooking hearths. Hearth is chulha in Hindi, meaning both inside and outside the hearths, which suggest that depending on the weather, people could cook food either indoor and outdoors. Next, draw a pit house. Stone tools have been found from many sites as well. Many of these are different from the earlier Paleolithic tools, and that is why they are called Neolithic. These include tools that were polished to give a fine cutting edge, and mortars and pestles. Mortars meaning oakley, and pestles meaning mussel, used for grinding grain and other plants produce. Mortars and pestles are used from grinding grain even today, several thousand years later. At the same time, tools of the Paleolithic types continued to be made and used, and remember, some tools were also made of bones for cooking food. So, many kinds of earthen pots have also been found. These were sometimes decorated and were used to storing things. People began using pots for cooking food, especially grains like rice, wheat, and lentils that now become an important part of the diet. Besides, they began weaving cloth using different kind of materials. For example, cotton that could now we grow. Did things change everywhere and all at once? Not quite. In many areas, men and women still continued to hunt and gather food, and elsewhere people adopted farming and herding slowly over several thousand years. Besides, in some cases, people tried to combine these activities during different seasons. Next, talk about customs and practice. Archaeologists do not tell us directly about this. Scholars have studied the lives of present-day farmers who practice simple agriculture. They have also estate. The lead of herders many of these farmers and herders live in group called tribes. Scholars find that they follow certain customs and practices that may have existed earlier as well. Tribes. I will tell you about the tribes. Tribes usually 2-3 generations live together in a small settlements or villages. Most families are related to one another and group of such families from a tribe. Members of a tribe follow occupation such as hunting, gathering, farming, herding, and fishing. Usually, women do most of the agriculture work, including preparing the ground, sowing seeds, looking after the growing plants, and harvesting grain. Children often look after plants, driving away animals and birds that might eat them. Women also thresh husk and grind grain. Men usually lead large herds of animals in search of pasture. Pasture means charaga. The land is called grass, that which is covered with grass. Children often look after small flocks. The cleaning of animals and milking is done by both men and women. Both women and men make pots, baskets, tools, and huts. They also take part in singing, dancing, and decorating the hut. Some men are regarded as leaders. They may be old and experienced or young brave warriors. Warriors means yodha or priest. Old women are respected for their wisdom and experience. Tribes have rich and unique culture tradition, including their own languages, music, stories, and painting. They also have their own god and goddess. What makes tribes different from many other societies you will be study about is that land, forest, grassland, and water are regarded as the wealth of the entire tribe, and everybody share and use these together. There are no sharp differences between the rich and the poor. So today's that's enough class. I meet you next class. Remaining topic chapter 3. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks.